The biggest challenge you're going to face today as an affiliate marketer is constant account bans and suspensions, which can take a huge toll on your affiliate business. And because of this, you lose out on a lot of money. You see, many websites today have become so sophisticated and can easily detect when you're running multiple accounts on their platform. And for this reason, they ban your accounts instantly. And that is where an anti-detect browser comes in. Adspower is by far the most secure anti-detect browser for managing multiple accounts safely without your accounts getting banned or blocked by any website, as they have over 20 plus customizable parameters, making sure your account is undetectable and lets you manage all your accounts easily in one place. And also with Adspower, you can safely run and manage multiple accounts safely without getting banned on websites like Google, as you can see right here, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Amazon, and other websites. Okay. And just like I mentioned earlier, it's a must-have tool for affiliate marketing, which ensures all your accounts are safely managed in one place. As you can see, you can use Adspower browser for other purposes as well, like e-commerce, to run multiple stores without getting detected. You can use it for crypto as well, for social media marketing, digital agencies, and web scraping. So you want to make sure to click on the first link in the description of this video, and it's going to bring you to the Adspower website. So once you come over to the website, all you want to do from here is to click on the Get Started button. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can then download the Adspower browser to your device. Okay, as you can see here, you want to make sure to download the version for your respective device. Since I'm on a Windows device, I'm going to download the version for Windows. So while the browser is downloading to your device, the next thing you want to do from here is to then click on the sign up button. So once you do that, it's then going to bring you to the sign up page. So once you enter your basic information like this, all you just need to do from here is to click on the sign up button. So once your account is created, you then want to open up the browser you downloaded, and it's going to bring you to this page, and you want to click on agree, and you want to click on install. So once the browser has successfully installed to your device, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you need to do from here is to then click on finish. It's then going to automatically launch the browser, which is then going to prompt you to enter your login details from the account you just created. So once you enter your details, all you then need to do is to click on login. So once you're logged into your account, this is what the interface looks like. And as you can see here, it's user friendly. Basically, everything is all laid out, and I'm going to walk you through how to use Adspower browser to manage and run multiple accounts without getting detected. So as you can see for yourself, I've been using their browser to manage multiple profiles right here, as you can see, for TikTok, for YouTube, for Reddit. So the very first thing you want to do is to come over to where it says new profile. So once you click on that, this is where you want to give your profile a name, and you can use any name that helps you remember this profile. Okay, so I'm going to type in something like Google Ads. Okay, so once you type in Google Ads as the name of the profile, you then want to select the browser you wish to use, be it Sun browser or Flower browser. So basically the Sun browser runs on Chrome engine. However, the Sun browser ensures your data is not leaked and you stay undetected. The same applies for the Flower browser as well, which runs on Firefox engine. Okay, so I'm going to select Sun browser for this profile. And here you want to then select the OS you wish to use for this browser. As you can see, they have various options from Windows to Mac to Linux. And as you can see, we have for Android right here and also for iOS. So basically, this is really up to you. If you check all these boxes, it's going to then select a random user agent for you. If you basically want to go for a specific OS, you can just uncheck the others and you can select any of the OS of your choice, and you can even narrow down to specific versions of the OS you want. Okay, So once you do that, you can then create a group, and this helps you to keep yourself organized. Okay, so you can create a group of profiles you use for Google Ads only. So you can then type in whatever name you want right here. Like I said, as long as it helps you remember those profiles. So once you select that, you want to then create a tag. If you want to do that as well, you can give the tag whatever name you want as well. All right. So I'm going to select Google Ads again. And now here you can import cookies from other browsers if you want to do that. However, you can skip this part and you can scroll down here to where it says proxy. And this is where you can then select a proxy of your choice. You can use your local IP address if you want to do that with this option. However, you can come over to the proxy provider section, and this is where you're going to find various inbuilt proxy providers on Adspower. You can basically go over to the website of any of these proxy provider of your choice. So if you click on this visit the website, it's going to bring you to this page where you can directly create an account on this proxy website, and you can integrate these proxies to your Adspower account efficiently. Okay, since I don't have access to any of these proxy options, I'm going to come over to the custom section. So for this section, you want to change this from no proxy and you want to select HTTP. Okay, so once you do this, you want to then go over to your proxy provider. And in my own case, I'm going to be using Node Maven proxy. So once you come over to your proxy account, all you need to do is to come over to location. And I'm going to take United States as an example. And as you can see here on Node Maven proxy, you can select any region in the US. You can even select cities and internet service provider as well. So here I'm just going to generate one proxy as an example. Then you want to scroll down here and we are going to be copying our proxy details. So once you enter the details like this, all you just need to do from here is to come over to platform. Here you want to then select your target platform, which you will be managing on this profile. So since we are using Google Ads, as you can see, it's not available on this list, and that is not a problem at all. You can come over to these orders and you can type in ads.google.com or whatever website you're working with. Okay. And here you can then enter your login details to your account. So you can skip this part if you don't want to do this right now. All right. And now you want to come over to the fingerprint section. And this is where you can then tweak this fingerprint to make your profile as unique as possible. So for me, I like to leave everything as default. Okay. You can click on this show more options and you can see other options you can edit here as well. All right. So once everything looks good, you can come over to the advanced section. And this is where you can add extensions if you want to use extensions along with your browser. So once everything looks good, all you just simply need to do is to click on OK. So as you can see here, we've successfully created this profile. So once everything looks good, the next thing you then want to do here is to click on Open Browser. So once you do that, in a couple of seconds, the browser opens up and it's going to show you your IP address, your location, and all the details. Okay. And as you can see, it's then going to take us to ads.google.com. As you can see, we can then create a Google Ads account in United States and we can start running ads in the US. So this is how you can create multiple accounts and manage them easily on Adspower. All right. And also, if you want to make any changes to any profile, you can click on this button here. As you can see, you can edit this profile by clicking on the edit button. So as you can see here, you can duplicate a profile if you want to do that by clicking on the copy button. You can delete a profile. You can also use the cookie robot feature. However, you have to upgrade to use this feature. And also, if you want to make bulk changes or edit, you want to click on this section and you want to come over to these three dots here and you can basically make whatever changes you want. Whenever you see this icon, this means you have to upgrade, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. So you want to basically scroll down to the section that says billing. So once you come over to billing, you can click on the try for free, and this is going to give you 5 profiles you can use on Adspower for absolutely free. And also you can see they have a trial plan right here, which is going to give you 15 profiles and 2 users, which means you can add a manager to your account, which is going to help you manage your profiles without you having to do all the work yourself. And as you can see, this costs just $14. And as you can see, you can start a 3 days trial if you want to do that. All right. However, if you need more than 15 profiles, all you need to do is to come over to the upgrade section. You can drag this slider, and as you can see, you can upgrade to as many profiles as you want. So let's say we want 50 profiles, and here you can then come over and select the number of team members you want. So basically, this is going to allow you add 2 people to your account to help you manage your profiles effectively and efficiently. So once you've selected the number of profiles and the number of team members you want, all you just need to do from here is to click on subscribe. So once you click on that, this is where you want to then select how long you want to use these profiles. As you can see, you can use this profile for 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, or 360 days. And as you can see, for each of the validity period, you're going to get a discount as well. As you can see, if you select the 360 days, you're going to get 50% off the price. And all you need to do is to scroll down here, and as you can see, they have various payment options you can choose from right here. You can see you can make payments with your card, you can pay with PayPal, or you can pay with various crypto or other payment option right here. So this is really up to you. You want to select your payment method, and here you then want to click on pay now. So once you do that, you are going to have access to more profiles and more team members to help you make sure you scale your affiliate earnings easily without getting your account banned and blocked by social media platforms. And to assign roles to team members, all you need to do is to come over to settings. So once you come over to settings, you want to click on members. Click on create a group, and this is where you want to then give your group a name. So for me, I'm going to type enter manager right here. And this is where you want to then select the permissions you want your manager or whatever team member you are adding to have on your account. Okay, so for me, I want them to have access to my profiles, and I want them to be able to make all these various changes to my profile. So whichever one you don't like, you can basically click on this button to remove those permissions. So once you select all the permissions you wish to grant to that team member, all you just need to do is to click on OK. So this is one of the best anti-detect browser tool I highly recommend for anyone who is looking to scale their affiliate earnings easily without any interruptions.